Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am. Thursday, we're going to get some bad weather. They're expecting snow and dangerously cold temperatures. So, I'm going to stay in where it's warm because Thursday it's going to be frigid. So I'm just going to stay in out of it and try my best to stay warm much as possible. Try to stay warm much as possible. And Saturday and Sunday I will be doing my Christmas videos. Be ready for that. And like I said, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day I will be showing what I got for Christmas on Christmas Day. And Saturday, Christmas Eve, I will be showing you Christmas movies. But I've been getting stuff out for the other collections. So, and trying to stay warm as well. But like I said, Thursday is going to be colder than this. So, but I'll try to stay warm much as possible. And like I said, it's just going to be outright cold. So, um, at the end of the month, I'll show you what I get at the end of the month, plus the items I still have yet to show. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here, and do not forget, all items is in mint condition. Mint condition. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. And bye for now.